Let's talk about simple maintenance of the machine. Firstly, after the machine head is reset, pull it out, then you can see we have two guide rails and one lead screw here. Take out the oil we are giving away with the machine. Dig it out with anything. In fact, we can see traces of the last maintenance. We don't need to put a lot of oil on it if we maintain it regularly. A little is enough. The guide rail below also needs to be oiled. This guide rail. You don't have to spread it evenly, it'll move on its own. When it is exercising on its own, it'll spread itself out. Okay, this is all right here. It's the same down there. It doesn't have to be spread evenly. Then we control it with F7. Let it move back and forth on its own. It will spread the oil evenly on its own.